Delve into art, architecture, and design with Srijan Design Academy SDA and thrive in exams, college, and career. Welcome to SDA. Drawing, tips and tricks.
So we are starting with a sketch here. I'm gonna use a 4B pencil and a common ruler. You can use any pencil you have. So we are gonna use very basic shapes, some triangles, rectangles, and circles and semicircles. So starting with the base shape here, I'm gonna create a rectangular shape in the center. By using shapes, I'm gonna create a balance, like a triangle here and a triangle there maybe, then some circles to balance out the whole shape. Some small rectangular shapes can be added here. I'm gonna do it freehand now. I'm gonna add a circle, full circle here, and a semicircular shape here. Maybe I can create another shape here. That's it for the sketch. Light pressure will leave some white undertone beneath the color, so try to put as much as pressure you can, so your color will be more bright and it will look better. Fill in all the white spaces you can see. Yeah, that's it. For next shape, I'm using red. I'm gonna try to make a balance with colors as well. So I'm gonna choose red for this triangle, and then maybe red for this and yellow for this. So I'm choosing red for my next shape. I'm gonna, I guess, fill this one with red color, and then again this with red color. For creating balance, I'm gonna fill two shapes with yellow color. Maybe this square and the circle here. Let's start with this circle. Drawing circle in a straight line will not make it look better. I always try to color it in curve manner only. You can fill the edges first and then fill in the center. You can see I have created a balance here with primary colors. So for the last two shapes, I'm going to use a secondary color, which is green. You can choose any color, or you can only use these three colors. Outlines first. So we are done with the coloring here.
To buy our detailed study material online, WhatsApp us on 70420646648 or ping us on Instagram. For more questions, drop a comment on our video. Subscribe us to Thrive in Exams, College, and Career.